Good evening, I'm Linda Swinford.
And I'm John Diaz. Thanks for joining us at 5. We begin tonight with a split decision from the Iowa Supreme Court on the state's 6-week abortion law.
That means abortion up to 20 weeks of pregnancy is still legal in Iowa. A lower court judge had blocked Governor Kim Reynolds' bill to ban abortion after about 6 weeks of pregnancy. The split decision comes after Governor Reynolds appointed 5 conservative members. The court has a total of 7 justices.
The fight is not over. We know that there's a small group of extreme Republican politicians who've been trying repeatedly to ban abortion entirely in our state.
So the people of Iowa spoke loud and clear that they want life legislation in our state and they want babies protected.
The ruling does not mean that lawmakers won't be able to pass new laws that would limit abortions in the state.
Iowa Democrat Party Chair Rita Hart released this statement after the Supreme Court announced its split decision. It says in part, quote, "I am thrilled that the Iowa Supreme Court will not stand in the way of Iowans who need abortion care, especially when our friends and neighbors already have to navigate so many barriers to health care." Meanwhile, Iowa Attorney General Brenna Bird also released a statement. She says in part, quote, "Due to the tie, the district court decision is allowed to stand. There is no right more valuable than the right to life. I will keep fighting to protect the unborn."
Meanwhile, Illinois saw a more than 50% increase in abortions since the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade a year ago. That's according to figures released this week by Planned Parenthood of Illinois. The organization says this includes patients seeking medication and procedure abortions. It also reports nearly a quarter of patients visiting its Illinois clinics in the last year were from out of state. That's compared to just 7% before the Supreme Court overturned the constitutional right to an abortion.